guys, okay, if anybody asks, I got in a super great bar fight and I won. Instead of a stupid accident that sent me to the urgent care of my face. So apologies, I swear to God, I'm sober right now. This is just what we're dealing with, and it's a fraction of the severity that it was a few days ago. Anyway, I'm just here to announce that my copywriting course, which teaches you all the web copy that I can do, well, that I know how to do and I usually do for clients. So like about pages, home pages, landing pages, sales pages, all of those, the course is open and I teach you all of them. The videos are like an hour long. Very exciting. You know, someone I think just got a client in there in the group. I just saw an announcement, which is very exciting. If you're thinking of joining, just know it's, you know, like I said, hour-long videos, give or take. I mean, some of them are a little shorter, but like the first week is me teaching how I write copy and like all these things, the theory, the like get ready for what's about to happen. You know, little practice assignments here and there. And then after that, it's just like writing. So I have found that the people who did the most value out of it follow along with the whole schedule, which is, I know, hard to block out a whole month for writing, and fully understand we all have lives. So keep that in mind. I will probably sell this as a self-study course eventually. My plan is to do it at least one more time in July is my main goal of doing this with my personal feedback for each page. At least for now, even though that seems to be like the most valuable part that people enjoy, to get the feedback. Anyway, if you're thinking of joining, you know, block out time so you can write and get everything done. Everything you get done within the month, and there's a hard deadline of like the last 31st, and anything after that, like I will try and give feedback, but like I can't promise because it's just like that month. And ideally, each week that you can give, send it in, and then I can give feedback along with everybody else in the course. That seems to be the best feedback. And there's also people in the group from like the last class, and I don't know how active they'll be. I can't like promise lots and lots and lots of feedback, but it's a cool group. You can be in there, you can see how the last whole month went, get an idea, getting a feel, and yeah. And then you just write as much as you can. Most people do not get through an entire sales page because they are beasts. They usually take like 2 weeks to a month. I mean, they're not a joke. You know, they're a very intense page. So, but like the start of it, the first paragraph or two, an outline, like whatever. Just know, block out some time if you want to get the most out of it, because the feedback and like the rewriting seem to be what people enjoy the most, along with like, you know, you get my video and you get my notes, and I break down like, here's step 1, step 2, here's how I do it, here's my formula, here's this, here's that. Like, I hope that there's enough guidance. Of course, this is still, I consider this like a beta launch, so any feedback of any kind where you're like, actually I think it'd be helpful, blah, like, do that please, so I can make it better with time. And as always, you have access to the course forever, no matter what I do. If I make the videos in like HD and film them better and take out my 1,000 ums as I go, and you know, all the dumb mistakes that you do when you're just trying to film and edit things yourself. So know that, you know, no matter what the course turns into, even if it turns into some epic giant program, like whatever you have, if you buy it, and as long as I'm alive, if I die, I can't promise anything. I don't think anybody's gonna like fix my content. I'm so sorry. But you will have access to it for as long as possible, given my death. So that is pretty much it. That is the course. It is live. Just by side note, it is only at the price it is now until tomorrow at 9 a.m. and then it's gonna go up $10. I'm not going crazy, but like, so if you want to get, you know, save $10, which really breaks down to like, like give or take like $25 a week, really is all it is, which I think is more than fair. So anyway, that is it. Yes, new videos coming soon. As soon as my face heals and I don't look so stupid when I talk. cool. Okay. Actually, I'm okay, guys. Like, don't worry. You don't need to send, like, get better soon. I'm I'm okay, guys. I promise. Also, my computer stopped going away. And I'm okay. I'm doing fine. Just a stupid mistake. But if anybody asks, a bar fight, and don't mess with me. Okay, that is it. Bye, guys. Also, down below, I'm going to put, like, a link to some feedback that people said that they gave me of what their experience was. I know one person just outlet a client, which is very exciting. Yay. I obviously can't promise that for everybody, of course, but that's exciting. Anyway, that is it. Bye, guys. Also, there's always an also. You should follow my Instagram. I'm going to be doing way more there. I mean, I'm never gonna like completely stop YouTube ever, and I'm not gonna cut down my posting schedule, which isn't that much, but Instagram is a lot easier for me to just like film and upload and do Q&As. I've been doing Q&As. You can like look at my profile link below and like see past Q&As. I will always try and put them into that like whatever that's called, Instagram marketing. It's been a long time since I've been an Instagram marketer. Story highlights. Yes. Highlights, so you can see past answers to other things and get like deeper copywriting answers to questions that people asked. I don't have a set schedule for doing those yet, but it will be coming. Very cool. Okay, great. Bye.